Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for the headphone Skullcandy Grind with using your Android device. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use a control panel, and right here we can check a battery level. The second one is to go to settings, connected devices, and here we also can check a battery level. And the last one, but the best one for me, is to use an application. So just open it, and right here at the top we can check a battery level of our left one and right one earbuds, but not charging case. I don't know why, but it worked how it worked. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!